Welcome everyone to the International Center at St. Lawrence College. We are a department that is dedicated to providing assistance and support to all students during their journey at St. Lawrence. We've been welcoming international students on our campuses for over 15 years, so we have quite a lot of experience with new international students. Currently, we have just over 1,500 international students on our three campuses, which are Kingston, Cornwall, and Brockville. And we currently have students from 40 different countries all over the world. So you'll see in these photos here that there's quite a lot of different nationalities represented. So we have a lot of diversity on our campuses. This slide here shows the college's 5 core values, but I just want to focus on belonging for a moment. We work really hard to instill and provide a sense of belonging to all students who join our college. So no matter what country you're from or no matter what city or province you're from in Canada, we really want everybody to have a strong sense of belonging on our campus, but also in our communities as well. The International Center provides many different supports to ensure that you have a positive and memorable learning experience while at St. Lawrence College. We do provide immigration advising, so perhaps students may have questions about their study permits, working in Canada, work permits, or staying in Canada permanently. We can assist students through that process. Admission support. Perhaps students want to join another program and continue their studies at SLC. We do have staff available to help them make that decision, but also assist them through that process. Transition support. We are aware that moving to a new country can present a lot of different obstacles and challenges along the way. Many of our staff in the International Center have lived abroad or immigrated to Canada themselves, and we have a lot of different strategies and programs to help make the transition and adjustment as smooth as possible. Activities and events. We do put on a lot of different activities to help get you to know the new city that you're in, to adjust to the new college environment, but also to have a little fun on and off campus while you're studying with us as well. We can provide you information about your health insurance policy. We will order the comprehensive policy for you and can assist you in making any medical claims if necessary. Of course, while you're getting ready to come to Canada, we do have a lot of different pre-arrival assistance resources available to you. And then once you arrive at your campus, we do have a comprehensive orientation program as well. I'd like to introduce you to your international student advisors. On the Kingston campus, we have Laura Caldwell and Carolina Palmer. On our Cornwall campus, we have Francine Denway. And on our Brockville campus, we have Jamie Bannon. Several of our international student advisors are regulated international student immigration advisors. So what this means is that they have a license to provide certified immigration advice to all of our students. Once you join us at St. Lawrence College, you will get to know your international student advisors or ISAs quite well, because we will be the ones that you meet with very often and answer any questions you may have. In addition to providing you supports when you arrive on our campuses, we can also help you get ready to come to Canada. So we offer a number of different pre-arrival assistance resources. We do have a Preparing for Canada guide that I encourage you to check out, and we also have a pre-arrival video available on YouTube. Leading up to your intake, you will receive invites for pre-departure webinars that are available online. So this is where we'll provide you with many different tips and tricks and also help you learn about what to expect while you arrive in Canada. I do encourage you to invite any family members to attend these sessions with you so that we can ensure everybody has their questions answered before joining us. When you arrive in Canada, you'll have the opportunity to attend many different orientation sessions and programs, and I encourage you to attend as many as possible. You'll have the opportunity to meet with your program coordinator, the International Center staff, have a little bit of fun, and also meet some of your new classmates. We will teach you about the Canadian culture and what to expect in Canadian classrooms, as this may be very different than what you're used to in your home country. We'll teach you about how to stay safe in Canada and make sure that you are informed about some of the rules and laws in Canada. We'll go over your health insurance policy and ensure that you are informed about how to seek medical care if needed and what your policy covers. Housing and accommodation in Canada will also be addressed so that you're aware of your rights in Canada as a tenant, but also how to find a nice and safe place where to live. We'll also address working in Canada, what are some of the rules, and answer any immigration questions you may have. As an international student at St. Lawrence College, a full and comprehensive health insurance plan is included as part of your tuition, and the International Center will take care of all the administration and ordering of your insurance, so you don't have to worry about that. Generally, once you start your program, we will email you a copy of your policy information and also what is covered. Students will also have access to GuardMe's Keep Me Safe program. The Keep Me Safe program is mental health support that is available 24/7. So this is a resource that is in addition to our wellness center on campus. We do also have GuardMe campus ambassadors. So this are volunteers that are part of the GuardMe program that are available to provide any information about insurance policies, help you make claims, and they also put on some fun events as well. The International Center also provides a full range of immigration advising and support. As mentioned, we do have RESIA certified staff to provide immigration advice. Students will come and see us with questions about study permits, temporary resident visas, postgraduate work permits. Perhaps they have questions about how many hours they can work on and off campus, and we just want to assure you that we do have staff available and certified to answer those questions. All of our international student advisors offer monthly workshops to help students through the application process. So this means that if students need to extend their study permits or apply for new work permits, we will deliver workshops in a classroom settings to help students work through every step of the application. Every semester, we also invite a representative from Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada to deliver permanent residency workshops to students that are interested in that. It's really important to immerse yourself and get involved at SLC and in the community in whatever interests you. Many of our cities have a lot of great things to offer, but we also encourage you to get involved on campus. We have a number of different activities and events to help you experience new Canadian celebrations. We've also celebrated multicultural showcases, International Education Week, movie nights. There's lots of different things on campus, and we encourage you to get involved. We also host and organize a number of different off-campus field trips throughout the semester as well. Some of the trips that we go on include Montreal, Ottawa, Toronto, and Niagara Falls. These trips are a really good experience to meet some other students, meet some new friends, have a little bit of fun, but also get to experience some of Canada's most beautiful cities. Again, we're here to support you every step of the way during your journey at SLC, and if you have any questions at all, please contact us. We'd be happy to help you. You can email us at international@sl.on.ca. We look forward to welcoming you on our campuses.